On the line with Drew Stewart, sales manager at Hollis Ford. We're Drew. $1 over invoice is back at Hollis Ford. But what does that mean exactly?
Well, Mitch, we brought it back by popular demand. We've been running this promo for the last few months, so we're going to offer it again until November 14th. So what that is, Mitch, we're going to show you the invoice that Ford of Canada provides us, what we pay for the vehicle, and we're going to add only $1 to it. $1 over, an amazing deal.
And on top of that, extended from October, is 0% on select vehicles.
Yes, that's correct, Mitch. Ford has extended 0% financing for November as well. So we had it last month. The program went so well that Ford has extended it for another month for us.
Nice incentive if you want to start thinking about a Christmas gift idea for that certain someone in your life.
Nothing would look better under the tree.
Absolutely. Hollis Ford, also at the Hollis Ford Clearance Center at 55 Juniper Street in Truro, hollisford.com. Why go anywhere else?